Top 20 IT Technician Interview Questions and Answers. Preparing for an IT technician interview requires solid technical knowledge and excellent problem-solving skills. These top 20 questions and answers will help you confidently showcase your technical expertise. 1. What inspired you to become an IT technician? I've always been fascinated by technology and problem-solving. My passion for understanding how systems work and helping others led me to pursue a career in IT. I enjoyed diagnosing issues, maintaining computer systems, and ensuring users can work efficiently. This profession allows me to combine my analytical thinking with hands-on technical skills to make a meaningful impact in any organization. 2. What are the main responsibilities of an IT technician? An IT technician is responsible for installing, maintaining, and troubleshooting computer hardware, software, and network systems. They ensure devices function smoothly, support users with technical issues, and maintain data security. They also perform updates, backups, and system monitoring to prevent downtime. Additionally, IT technicians document technical processes and assist in implementing new technologies to improve efficiency and ensure business continuity. 3. How do you troubleshoot a computer that won't start? I begin by checking power connections, cables, and the power supply unit. If the system still doesn't start, I test the motherboard, our AM and hard drive. I also check for beep codes or diagnostic lights. If hardware isn't the issue, I assess BIOS settings or operating system corruption. My goal is to isolate the root cause through a logical, step-by-step diagnostic approach. 4. How do you handle a slow computer complaint? I first check running processes through Task Manager to identify high CPU or memory usage. Then, I scan for malware, update drivers, and ensure sufficient disk space. Disabling unnecessary startup programs and optimizing system settings often improves performance. I also check for overheating or hardware limitations. Finally, I educate users on best practices to maintain system speed and stability. 5. What operating systems are you most comfortable working with? I'm proficient in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux environments. I frequently manage Windows systems for updates, troubleshooting, and network configuration. I've also used Linux for server management and scripting tasks. My adaptability allows me to work efficiently across platforms and quickly learn new systems. This flexibility ensures that I can support diverse workplace environments and handle various technical challenges effectively. 6. How do you prioritize multiple technical issues at once? I assess each issue based on urgency, impact, and complexity. Critical system failures or issues affecting multiple users receive top priority. I use ticketing systems to organize and track progress. Clear communication with team members and users helps manage expectations. I stay calm, focused, and systematic, ensuring that all problems are resolved efficiently while maintaining high-quality service standards. 7. How do you stay updated with the latest IT trends and technologies? I stay updated by reading tech blogs, following industry leaders, and joining IT forums. I also take online courses and attend webinars on emerging technologies. Regularly experimenting with new tools and software enhances my skills. Staying informed helps me apply modern solutions, improve security practices, and ensure systems are up to date, which keeps me competitive and valuable in the IT field. 8. What steps would you take if a user can't connect to the network? I'd start by checking the user's network cable or Wi-Fi connection, then verify network adapter settings and IP configuration. Next, I'd ping the router to test connectivity and restart the device if necessary. If the issue persists, I'd check the router or switch, review network permissions, and ensure there are no outages. Documentation and communication with the user are key. 9. How do you ensure data security in your work? I enforce strong password policies, install antivirus software, and regularly apply security patches. I also educate users on safe browsing and phishing awareness. Encrypting sensitive data and performing regular backups are essential practices. Monitoring for unauthorized access and following company security protocols ensure compliance and system integrity. My proactive approach minimizes risks and safeguards valuable organizational data. 10. What is your experience with hardware repairs? I have hands-on experience repairing and replacing computer components like hard drives, our AM, motherboards, and power supplies. I follow ESD safety procedures and diagnostic methods to identify faulty parts. I ensure every repair is tested and documented for reliability. My experience allows me to restore systems quickly, minimizing downtime and maintaining consistent productivity for users and organizations. 11. How do you handle a user who is frustrated with technical problems? I stay calm, listen actively, and empathize with the user's frustration. Clear communication is crucial. I explain the issue in simple terms and assure them of a quick resolution. By keeping them informed throughout the process, I build trust and reduce stress. My goal is not only to fix the technical problem, but also to maintain a positive user experience. 12. How do you back up and restore data? I use both automated and manual backup systems to ensure data security. Backups are stored on secure local drives and cloud platforms. I verify the integrity of backups regularly. In case of data loss, I follow the proper restoration procedure, ensuring minimal downtime. Consistent documentation and scheduling of backups are essential for protecting critical data and maintaining operational continuity. 13. What is your experience with network configuration? I've configured routers, switches, and wireless access points for both small and large networks. My experience includes setting IP addresses, managing DHCP, DNS, and VLAN configurations. I also secure networks using firewalls and encryption. I monitor network performance and troubleshoot connectivity issues to maintain optimal functionality. This practical knowledge helps ensure a stable and secure IT infrastructure. 14. How do you document technical processes and issues? I use ticketing systems to record issues, solutions, and maintenance logs. Documentation includes detailed steps, configuration settings, and user feedback. This helps maintain consistency across the IT team and assists in future troubleshooting. I also create knowledge-based articles for recurring problems, ensuring efficient issue resolution and improving the overall quality of IT support in the organization. 15. How do you manage software installations and updates? I ensure all installations are licensed and compatible with existing systems. I use deployment tools for large-scale installations and regularly schedule updates to maintain security and performance. Before updating, I test software on a controlled environment. Proper documentation and communication with users ensure a smooth process. My organized approach minimizes disruptions while keeping all systems current and efficient. 16. What tools do you commonly use for troubleshooting? I use tools like Task Manager, Event Viewer, Command Prompt, and Device Manager for diagnosing issues. Network utilities such as Ping, Traceroute, and Wireshark help analyze connectivity problems. I also rely on antivirus and hardware diagnostic tools. Combining these with logical troubleshooting methods allows me to quickly identify, isolate, and resolve technical issues effectively across different systems. 17. Describe a time you solved a difficult technical problem. Once, a user's computer repeatedly crashed during critical tasks. I investigated and found a faulty RAM module. After replacing it and running stability tests, the issue was resolved. I documented the process for future reference. This experience reinforced my diagnostic skills and patience, highlighting the importance of systematic troubleshooting and thorough hardware testing in preventing recurring technical problems. 18. How do you handle confidential information? I follow strict data protection protocols and limit access based on user roles. Sensitive information is encrypted and stored securely. I never disclose confidential data without authorization. I'm also familiar with data privacy regulations like GDPR. Maintaining discretion and trust is critical in IT support, as protecting user and company data is one of the top responsibilities of any technician. 19. What do you do if a system update causes new issues? If an update creates issues, I first roll back to the previous version or use system restore points. I analyze logs to identify conflicts or compatibility problems. I report findings to the team and test updates in a controlled environment before redeployment. Documentation ensures similar problems are avoided in the future. My focus remains on system stability and minimizing downtime. 20. Why should we hire you for this IT technician role? You should hire me because I combine strong technical knowledge with excellent communication and problem-solving skills. I'm dedicated to providing reliable IT support, maintaining system performance, and improving efficiency. My proactive attitude and continuous learning mindset ensure I stay ahead of emerging technologies. I'm confident my skills and work ethic will positively contribute to your organization's technical success. By studying these IT technician interview questions and answers, you'll be well prepared to demonstrate your technical expertise, problem-solving ability, and professional confidence during any interview.